One number. Today in this session of class 10 mathematics we'll discuss the question answer 12.2. I skipped the first exercise. I'll do the questions later on. Before that I'll finish 12.2, then 12.3, then we'll move to 12.1. 12.1 simple, just area of a circle, that is pi r square. Now here see, in the last class I gave you all the formulas which we use here. Area of a circle, circumference of a circle, then area of the sector, length of the arc, then area of minor segment, area of major segment, then the shortcut formula that is used to find the area of triangle which is within the circle, where the two sides are the radius of the circle. That is half into radius is going to sine of theta. And in last class I told you what is the value of sine 120. Yes, that is cos 30 1 by 2, and what is sine cos 30 root 3 by 2, and then sine 150 equal to cos 60, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now here in this exercise 12.2 and 12.3 we'll use all those formulas: area of a circle, area of segment, area of sector, area of triangle, then what is the area of an equilateral triangle. Moreover, equilateral triangle area formula root over 3 by 4 sine square, root over 3 by 4 sine square. Yes. Then in a right angle triangle area equal to half into base into height. Yes, got it. Now we'll start 12.2 with okay. Now first question is the area of a circle inscribed in a square of side A? This is pi. This is not. So this is not. This is not the question. Wait. This is the example. Wait. Let me find out. Basically, area circle. This one. So now first question is find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 cm and if the angle of the sector is 60 degree. Okay, now here we have to draw a diagram. Center, and the angle is 60 degree. The angle is 60 degree. And what is the radius? Radius equal to 6 centimeter. Radius equal to 6 centimeter. Yes. Then find the area of the sector. Okay. Now here, number 1. Given theta equal 60 degree, r equal to 6 centimeter. Therefore, area of the sector equal, first the formula is theta by 360 pi r square. Now theta equal 60 degree, 60 by 360 pi. Okay, pi is given, pi is not given, so pi will be 22 by 7, and r square, r equal to 6, so 6 into 6. 1 0 cancel, 6 6 cancel, this one cancel. So it is 132 by 7. 132 by 7 square centimeter. Yes, 132 by 7 square centimeter of the area of the sector where theta equal to 60 degree and r equal to 6 centimeter. And this is the formula: area of a sector equal to theta by 360 pi r square. So replace the value of theta, pi and r. We got the answer 132 by 7 square centimeter. Got it? Now question number 2. Here nothing. We will just use the formula. Nothing. Just use the formula. Now question number 2. find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. Okay, now quadrant means the 1/4 the area of a circle. So in a quadrant, theta equal 90 degree, or we can directly use the formula area of a quadrant equal to 1/4 pi r square. Yes, but here instead of the radius, the circumference of the circle is given, that is 22 centimeter. So from that one, from the given circumference of the circle, we have to find the radius of the circle. Yes. Now here, circumference equal 22 centimeter. Circumference formula 2 pi r equal 22 centimeter. 2 pi means 22 by 7. R means r. So r equal 22 into 7 by 22 into 2. Cancel equal 7 by 2 centimeter. Now area of quadrant. Quadrant area formula 1/4 the area of circle. 1/4 the area of circle. And here again pi equal to 2 by 7. 1/4 pi into 2 by 7 r square. R equal to 7 by 2. So 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. So this one 2 11, this one 7. Cancel. Yes, 77 by 8. 77 by 8. The area is square centimeter. So this is the area of the quadrant. 1/4 pi r square equal to, replace the value, we got the answer 77 by 8 square centimeter. Got it? Next question. The length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute in 5 minutes. Okay, now in a watch, yes, circular shape. Now there are 60 minutes, and as the shape of the square watch is circular, so total angle is how much? Total angle is 360. Now there are 60 minutes. So what is the angle formed by the minute hand in 1 minute? That is total 360 by 6, which is equal to 6 degree. So the angle formed by the minute hand in 1 minute equal to 6 degree. So here the minute hand in how many minutes? 5 minutes. So it forms an angle how much? 6 into 5 equal to 30 degree. So here angle formed by minute hand in 1 minute equal 6 degree. So angle formed by minute hand in 5 minutes equal 6 into 5 equal 30 degree. Yes, 30 degree. Then the radius is given 14 centimeter. So it is theta. Therefore theta equal 30 degree and radius equal 14 centimeter. Yes, radius equal how much? Radius equal 14 centimeter. So find the area. Therefore area of the circle or required area. Suppose required area. Required area equal theta by 360 pi r square. Theta by 360 pi r square. Theta equal 30 degree. 360 into pi. Pi equal to not given. So 23 by 7 into r square. R equal 14. 2, 12, 6, 3, 7. Yes. So 154 by 3. 154 by 3 square centimeter. So this is the area. The form by maintaining 5 minutes. 154 by 3 square centimeter. Next, a chord of a circle of radius 10 cm subtend a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and the major sector. Okay, now here right angle triangle. So first draw diagram. This angle is 90 degree. The radius given 10 and find the minor segment, this one, and the area of the major sector. Okay, if this theta is 90 degree, then theta for the major sector equal to 360 minus 90 equal to 70. But the first question is find the area of the minor segment. Yes. So question number 4, for the minor segment, so first radius equal how much? 10 cm. Now for minor segment, theta equal 90 degree. So area of minor segment, equal how much? Area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. Area of triangle OAB. Area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. Okay, now area of sector equal to how much? 90 degrees of quadrant 1/4 pi r square minus area of triangle half into as it is right angle triangle. Since it is a right angle triangle, so it is directly half into base into height. So you have base 10 and height also 10. 1/4 pi. The pi equal to 3.14. Radius 10, 50. So 314 by 4 minus 50. Now that is 114 by 4. 114 by 4 square centimeter. Yes. Then 4 2s are 8, 20, 34. 4 7s are 4 8s are. Yes. 4. Yes or yes. 1/4 pi square 314 50 200. Yes. 3.14. What is it? Four 3s are 28. Then 32 20 4 5 28.5 square centimeter. So this is the area of the minor segment. 28.5 square centimeter. So now the second question is find the area of the major sector. For major sector, theta equal 270 degree. Theta equal 270 degree. Now area of the major sector equal theta by 360 pi r square. Theta 270 by 360 pi r square. This one cancel, 9 3s are 9 4s are. So this one 3 by 4 into 3 1 4, 2 2s are 2 1 5 7. Then this by 2 1 50 60 71 3 4 471 by 2 equal to 2 then 3 then 5 then 0.5 square centimeter. 235.5 square centimeter is the area of the major sector where theta equal to 270 degree. Yes. Now next question is a circle of radius 21 cm and arc subtend an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the length of the arc, the next area of the sector, the next area of the segment. Now in question number 5 there are 3 parts. We have to find the length of the arc, then area of the sector, then area of the segment. So here this diagram, angle is 60 degree. Then radius 21. O A P P B. Number 1 is find the length of the arc. Question of 5. Number 1. First theta equals 60 degree, r equals 21 centimeter. So number 1, length of the arc. Length of the arc equal theta by 360 2 pi r. Here pi is how much? Here pi is given. No, here pi is not given. So pi is 22 by 7. This one 1 by 6. 2 into 22 by 7 into r. R equal to how much? R equal to 21. So 7 3s are 3 2s are 2 2s are equal to how much? 22 centimeter is the length of the arc. Yes, 22 centimeter. So now number 2 is find the area of the sector. Number 2 is area of the sector. So area of the sector equal theta by 360 pi r square. What? Theta by 360 pi r square. Theta by 360 pi r square. This is 1 by 6. 3.14 into 21. Sorry. 22 by 7 into 21 into 21. 7 3s are 3 2s are 2 11s are. So 210 plus 21. 210 plus 21, 231 square centimeter is the area of the sector. 231 square centimeter is the area of the sector. Yes. Now the third part is area of the segment. Corresponding segment is this portion. So area of the minus 7 meter. So area of minus 7 equal area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. Sector area formula 231 that value. Then area of triangle OAB. Now see here, if this angle is 60, these two sides are equal, then these two angles will be also equal. If this one x, this one also x. X plus 60 equal to 120. It means all sides are equal to how much? Equal to 60 degrees. So it is an equilateral triangle. And equilateral triangle formula, area formula root over 3/4 side square. So 231 minus root over 3/4 into 441 square centimeter. Now here the value of root over 3 is not given, so no need to place the value. So this is the answer. Area of the minus second equal 231 minus root over 3/4 into 441 square centimeter. Yes. Now that's all for this class. In this class, we will start from question number 6, and there are how many questions? There are 14 questions. We will try to finish. If not, then we will do next class. Thank you.